All that you have to do to manage and invite new friends in Golf Battle is to open up the game and switch over to the Friends tab through this menu at the bottom of your screen. The first time you select Friends, you are going to get this pop-up. Play with friends, connect to Facebook. In order to add your friends, you will have to go through and link your Facebook account to Golf Battle. So go ahead and connect Facebook, and once you do, you are going to be redirected back to the game. You are going to get a gift over here of 100 gems, and now you have access to the Friends tab. You can either invite your friends through Facebook or WhatsApp. Select whichever option you prefer to invite your friends with, either Facebook and share your link inside of your newsfeed, or WhatsApp and give it to them through a private message. As long as they have the app installed and they are signed up using Facebook, when they select your link, they will be redirected back to the app, and both of you, or however many invites you send out, all of you will be connected. You can access the settings at any time to manage your logged in account and your online status to your friends. Make sure that this is on, and this way they will be able to invite and send you gifts whenever you are online.